what if there are 3 sets involved? So if I want to find the number that are in A or B or C, then I'm going to add up the number in each of the sets individually, and I need to subtract off the intersection, and then I have to add back in the intersection of all 3 of them because that got subtracted off one too many times. All right, so how many received relief from all 3 drugs? So that's what this is. So this is going to be what you need to find out first, what's most inside of all of them. So let's start with filling in the blanks. So the number of A or B or C, so how many received relief from the drug A or the B or the C, that's 41. So 41 of them received help from something. Then I'm going to find out the number that was helped by drug A. Oh, that's 21. The number helped by drug B, that's another 21. By C, 31. And then we're going to subtract off these intersections. So subtract off 9 and subtract off 14, subtract off 15. And this is what I am trying to find, this inside thing. So if you'll trust my subtraction, I got that 6 is equal to the number that's in the very center. Whoa, go back. Okay, so that's the number helped by all 3. So I'm going to use some colors here. So this is drug A, this is drug B, and then this is drug C. So what's in the center here is this number 6. You want to put that in first. So now let's look at the drug A. So the number helped by drug A are 21. So I want to put that number on the outside because everything inside of the blue bubble has got to be 21. And inside the green, that's got to be 21 also. And then inside the red, it's got to be 31. So the next thing I want to do is I want to work on the intersections. So the intersection between A and B has to be 9. So that means all of this has to be 9. Well, if the 6 is here, doesn't that mean this has to be 3? Yes. Okay. Now let's do another one. If I have intersection, let me try to get a different color here, green, light green, between A and C, all of this needs to be 14, right? All of this needs to be 14. So that must mean this is 8. Then the other one is, let's get this pinky color. This one is supposed to be, oops, can't even read it, 15. So in here, this is supposed to be 15. This is already 6, so that's got to be 9. Now I can use what I know about A. So all of this has to be 21. So in order to find this, I take 21, subtract off the 3, subtract off the 6, subtract off the 8. That means there's 4 in the big blue circle. Same thing over here. I'm going to take this 21, subtract off the 3, subtract off the 6, subtract off the 9. Oh, look at that. That one gives me 3. And then here, I'm going to take this 31 and subtract off the 8 and the 6 and the 9, right? And then this is going to give me 8. So that's the Venn diagram. And then I have to think, wait a second, my part B down here, so I can say how many received relief from none of the drugs? Going back to the question. So at least one, we got 41 people. Oh, it's a little hidden in here. So of the 50 people, 41 got help. So that's a 50 minus the 41. So that's 9.